I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello, Brawlers. In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars using a joystick, as it's the only way to achieve this. Brawl Stars does not natively support external controllers, so we'll need a workaround. You'll require a Bluetooth controller and a special keymapper application. This setup allows you to map your physical joystick and buttons to the game's on-screen controls, giving you a different way to experience the action. Let's get started with the setup process. Now, let's talk about selecting the right keymapper app. Popular choices include Octopus or Panda Gamepad Pro, which are widely used for this purpose. It's crucial to ensure the app you pick is compatible with your phone or tablet. Be aware that some keymappers might require root access on your device for their full range of features. Always download these applications from official app stores or trusted websites to maintain your device's security. Once you have your keymapper installed, it's time to map your controller. First, open the keymapper application and add Brawl Stars to its list of games. Then, you'll assign your physical joystick's movement to the virtual joystick within the game. Next, map your controller's buttons to the attack and super abilities, along with any other desired actions. Take your time to customize the button layout to ensure it feels natural and comfortable for your playstyle. Finally, you're ready to play. Always launch Brawl Stars directly from within your keymapper application. Once in the game, I highly recommend testing your new joystick controls in a friendly game or a training match. This allows you to fine-tune your settings and get a feel for the new setup without affecting your trophies. With a little practice, you'll become proficient and enjoy a potentially more precise way to play Brawl Stars with your controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.